Alright, so just put like pretty much a whole tube of fucking silicone on here, and we put a little bit on there. The tube was fucked up, so I had to like chop the top off and scoop it out with a screwdriver. So yep, so that's on there. So now let's get this thing put on there and get it clamped down. Alrighty, I don't know if this video is going to be particularly long, but so quick update. I'm basically going to be doing the putting in some zero lash end links on the front of the Puro. But quick update of everything that's kind of been done, because I've been doing a couple little things and not showing it. So I did a live stream and we fixed this. I just put down another layer, and hopefully that'll be the last layer, and then I just need to sand it into perfection and then use some glazing putty or spot putty and just fill in any little pinholes. So like the last thing we need to do to fix the fuck up is change out the windshield, and that's good. I pulled out the old oil cap JN10 thing I had created. I bought this guy. I don't think it's in all the way yet, but we'll see how well that works. It's actually off an LS, so hopefully it'll work out, because I know it was spewing pretty good out of that other one. So, but yeah. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and get the car jacked up, and then we'll start on the end links. Alrighty, so this is Zero Lash end link from Rodney Dickman. I'm assuming this gold one is for the top, because it's a little bit thicker than, say, this one. So first things first, just pretty much take off these. I don't think that it's directional for like which end has to be where, but we'll just keep it the way it is. So this guy goes down in there. The fun part is going to be figuring out how to get this thing in there. Right. Okay. Alright, and then the thinner one goes on the bottom. Put the nut on there. And the top one gets the gold washer. Then put that nut on. And now we pretty much just gotta tighten it down. It is 17. I'm not sure the size of the wrench, and that's probably not gonna work. Nice and snug. And the bottom one, just gotta do the same. And just like that, that's to put it on. This was already off from the accident. It was all messed up. I actually had to cut it out. I had the poly ones on there before. So now we'll lower it and we'll try and get the other side done. Hopefully I can have enough room over there. So let's go do the other side. wants to get in there. So freaking electric sander makes very fast work of that. So now I'm just working up cleaning up the edges, and then we'll be good to go. So I'll come back when I'm done with this video. Alrighty, so it's a chilly one today. It's 18 degrees, but I'm editing the video right now, and I realized I didn't make an outro. So I'm out here to make an outro. So yeah, the Fiero is pretty much as well off as it's gonna get. A-pillar's done. I mean, it's as good as you're gonna get. I mean, there's a couple pinholes, not too big a deal. Gonna need to sand the whole car so we can paint it. It's gonna be getting a new color. And when I say color, I mean an actual color. So it should be pretty sweet. In the end of the day, it's still not gonna be perfect, but it should still be cool, and it's worth learning. I think it'd be fun. So, and then things coming up on installing on the Fiero will be, we got all the stuff for meth injection. We can actually run inside, and I can show you that. So, see you in the house. Alrighty, well, we're in the house. It's a damn disaster in here from making some Grom stuff happen. So, we've got some meth. We've got 4 gallons of some boost juice. It's just basically some methanol injection shit. I bought some new AN6 line. And then all sorts of fittings. And then we've obviously got the methanol injection kit from Snow Performance. I believe it's a stage 2.5. We've got the E85 thing with the adapters to AN6. And then the pigtail harness. So we can get that wired into microsquirt. I believe that's all I've got. So that stuff is coming up. So we're going to be doing all new fuel lines. I have a 10 micron fuel filter I'd like to put on, so that way we're not screwing up stuff. I'm going to get a new fuel pump. We're going to put that in. I'm not sure. I don't know. I really want to get a tank of 100% argon, and once I get that, then I can weld aluminum with the welder I have. It's not like pretty welds like TIG, but at least I'll be welding aluminum. Hopefully it works out good. If it welds good, then I plan to make a fuel cell for the Fiero. Just go pick up some aluminum and weld up a fuel cell, and then we'll put an external fuel pump on. I think that'd be dope. Because then at least when the pump shits the bed on me, it's super easy to fix. I mean, yes, it's not that hard to drop the tank, but I'm lazy. So, yeah, other than that, I guess that's all I got. You guys know the drill. Like, comment, subscribe. See you guys in the next one. Be sure to check out the links in the description. Check out Patreon. Starting next year, we're going to be putting any of the Patreons get their name at the end of the credits. So, I mean, get in there while you can, I guess. I mean, they're as little as $1. $1. So it's $1 a month. Helps us out and gets your name at the end of the videos. Win-win. And then we've got some merchandise as well. That should be also in the description. Store Frontier. We've got 4 different designs that I've made in here. And like this is my favorite probably. Even though we do have a before and after that I made of the Fiero only, so, but I think this is my favorite, because it pretty much gets everything. But yeah, you guys know the drill. Like, comment, subscribe. See you guys in the next one. Thanks for checking out the channel and watching the video. What am I even saying? That sounds stupid. Bye.